Hey, what's up guys? It's Miccolo.
It's Ruth.
And this is how we do it. Welcome back to our channel.
So since guys, nagustuhan nyo ang aming mga indoor photoshoot ideas, we're going to be doing another one. So today we're going to do the
Couple Indoor Photoshoot. Ayan guys, perfect to para sa mga couple na magkasama ngayong community quarantine.
Like us.
And pwede nyong subukan to. Mag-picture-picture kapag wala na kayong magawa, bored in the house, bored na kayo.
I think this will be helpful as well to those na gusto nila meron silang engagement photos or prenup photos.
Yan, pwede nyo nang pag-practicean to.
Yes. So, if ready na kayo guys, let's go to the video. Ayan, so dito lang kami sa room ni Mico mag-shoot. We have a big bed and then meron kaming comforters and mga fluffy pillows like this. Tapos, gumawa rin ako ng breakfast for snacks. So, meron ako dito cereal and toast bread and matcha for me and Milo for Mico.
Yes.
So, yun yung mga pwede nyong gamitin na props para dun sa kagaya ng mga nakikita nyo na cozy photos sa
Yan.
Pinterest.
Yes, oo, perfect.
Sa Tumblr, sa Instagram, ayan. Pwede rin din to guys sa mga singles, hindi naman siya necessarily for couples only.
Mag-self-timer lang kayo, tapos aura-aura kayo dyan sa camera. Ganun na rin yun.
So we're using our camera for our photos and we have a tripod, your phone.
Yes, para sa camera remote.
Yan, yung phone niya may app for the Canon that we can use for the self-timer. So tara, let's start now with our photos.
Left of me, drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hot. Sometimes everything just gets hotter. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm sweet.
So, that's it guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo at natuwa kayo sa aming mga couple photos or bedroom inspiration photos.
Yes guys, and sana subukan nyo na rin, di ba? Ngayon lalo na nasa lockdown pa rin tayo, community quarantine. Ayan, isa to sa mga siguro makakaalis ng stress nyo, makakapag-isip kayo ng mga bagong ideas, may mga skills kayong bagong matututunan.
So also guys, if you wanna see more home photo shoot ideas, comment your suggestions down below para matry namin yan. And that's it. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Ring mo na rin yung bell.
And we'll see you guys on our next video.
Bye!